Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 version 2, 5H2, not installing with error code 0xC19001DF. First, run some system repair commands. Type CMD in Windows Search, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Now run the SFC and DISM commands one by one. Let each scan finish completely. Then restart your computer and try updating Windows again. If the problem continues, open Services from the Windows search bar. Find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Set each of them to Automatic, then click Start if it's stopped, and restart the service. Next, open Windows Settings. Windows Update, pause. Updates for a moment and then resume updates and check if the update installs. If it still fails, download and run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from the Microsoft website and install the update from there. Another option is to fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery. Then choose Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall Windows while keeping your files and apps. If nothing works, download the Windows 11 ISO using the Media Creation tool. Open the ISO file, run Setup, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and start the installation. One of these methods should help you install Windows 11 version 25H2 successfully. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.